So this is my digital I/O lab with the 2 buttons and the 1 LED. Here's my circuit setup. Just ignore this one. This is for a different lab. So I have the first button, which is a counter button, and then I have the record button that sends the amount to blink this LED whatever many times I click this button. And so in my program, I have my I/O set up, and then I have global count and global send variables. Then I have definition light notifier, which is just the light blinking. Oh, actually, no, that's the reset light notifier, which is it's like a notification of the light and the buttons resetting. Have definition for blinking, which is for I call global send, while send count is less than or greater than 0, LED value equals true, and then sleep for half a second, LED value equals false, sleep half a second, and then send equals send -1. So do like a little decrement so it stops that while it's in its loop, and then I can save it there and then send it off to tell the LED to light up that many times. And then so here for my loop, I have if my count button dot value or my count button value is high or active, count equals count plus 1, which is my increment counter function. So that would be this button. And then if my light button value is high, send will equal count. So this is what will record the count from the previous button. And then it'll print the send for a 1/4 of a second time delay. So it'll be relatively accurate of when I push it on the serial monitor. And then if the and then I call the function blinking, so it'll blink on and off the required amount of times, tied together with the if statement. And then if the count button and the light button are pressed at the same time, the counter will be set to 0. It'll print the count, sleep for a second, and then it will reset the light notifier, or calling the reset light notifier function. So this is what the hardware programming looks like. So when I press the first button, it's starting to count. So I'll press it like 3 times, and then I will press this button, the record button, and it'll repeat 3. And then it already blinked, but I can do it again. So it blinks 3 times, and then I can press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's gonna be a total of 8 times. And then I will press this and it will repeat 8 for the second button. I should do it again because it wasn't showing us. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then if I want to reset it, I will hold it down for about a second. It's a little tricky. I might have to change. Yeah, I'll change the. So let's just do 1. Okay, hopefully it'll reset now. Okay, now it reset. I just had to hold it a minute. And then so it says counter is 0. And then I should be able to, if I press it no buttons or no blinks. And then I can start counting again. 1, 2, 3. Send off 3. And that is my 2 buttons, 1 LED for Function IO Lab.